Have you heard about the latest fun for robots? Welcome to Robo Fun Park, the first amusement park just for robots. A place where robots can dream, play, and experience unforgettable moments. From breathtaking roller coasters to relaxing robo spas, we have it all. Let your little ones experience the joy of driving safely and fun-filled. And while the kids play, adults can relax and get a drink. Dance the night away with our top-class robo DJs. Every evening, we end the day with a spectacular fireworks show just for you. Take home memories that last a lifetime. Robo Fun Park, where robot families come together. Book now and experience the fun.